Think a luxury hybrid like the 2026 Lexus UX 300h F Sport will cost a fortune to own? Most people assume higher fuel bills, expensive maintenance, and pricey repairs just come with the luxury badge. But the reality is a lot more surprising. This compact hybrid can deliver around 43 MPG combined, and day-to-day ownership costs are much lower than you'd expect from a premium brand. Welcome to AeroNext Auto, where we talk about what it's really like to live with today's luxury cars. If you're shopping for a compact luxury hybrid and want something that looks sharp, sips fuel, and doesn't stress your budget, the 2026 Lexus UX 300h F Sport deserves a closer look, especially when it comes to real-world costs. Let's start with what sets this model apart in the US market. The 2026 UX 300h isn't a full redesign from last year, but that's not a bad thing. It keeps Lexus's latest hybrid setup, combining a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors for a total of 196 horsepower. On the road, it feels smooth and quiet, with better acceleration than older UX models and a refined, relaxed driving feel that works perfectly for daily commuting. The F Sport trims add a more exciting personality. Steering feels tighter, and if you go for the F Sport handling version, the adaptive suspension makes corners feel more controlled without making the ride harsh. The exterior looks sportier too, with aggressive styling details, mesh accents, and 18-inch wheels. Inside, the sport seats offer great support but stay comfortable for long drives, whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising on the highway. The cabin is classic Lexus, quiet, solid, and thoughtfully designed. You get an available 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and upscale materials throughout. Options like new luxe upholstery and bold red interior accents add personality without feeling over the top. Everything feels well put together and built to last. When it comes to space, the UX 300h is practical for its size. Cargo room sits at about 21 cubic feet behind the rear seats, which is enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend errands. Rear seat space is best for shorter trips, but adults will be comfortable for city driving. It's not the biggest SUV in its class, but for urban life, it fits right in. Reliability is another big plus. Lexus consistently ranks among the most dependable brands, and this hybrid system is based on proven Toyota technology. That means fewer surprises over time and strong long-term confidence for owners. Now let's talk money. In the US, the 2026 UX 300h F Sport design starts around $42,000, while the F Sport handling trim lands closer to $46,700. Both come well-equipped with modern safety features and tech. Adding all-wheel drive usually costs around $1,500 more, keeping most builds in the mid-$40,000 range. Where ownership really shines is fuel and maintenance. With real-world fuel economy hovering around 42 to 43 MPG, gas savings can add up fast, especially if you drive daily. Maintenance costs stay reasonable thanks to the hybrid system's durability and Lexus dealer support. Compared to many European luxury rivals, long-term costs are often lower without sacrificing comfort or quality. The bottom line? The 2026 Lexus UX 300h F Sport delivers quiet luxury, a sporty edge, and impressive efficiency that makes owning it feel smart, not extravagant. If you're considering a compact luxury hybrid, this one is absolutely worth a test drive.